This is Ebonyi State Hatchery, Nkaliki. That is our update for today. So you see how the present administration has revitalized the moribund hatchery. This hatchery has been unused for so many years, but this government thought it was that one of the fundamentals of good governance is food security, and that is exactly what the present administration is doing. This block needs power, constant light. I'll take you around and see what the government is doing to put this place back to use. Come with me, let's ride together. Hatchery. Let's go down and see what they have here. Yeah, we're down. Let me take some look now. I'll see for ourselves what they have got here. Work is ongoing everywhere. Work is ongoing. Work is ongoing.